Alright, so hi everyone, this is me Srijal Mishra and this is officially day 4 of Learn AI with me. To be completely candid, I'm feeling pretty much blank. There is nothing in my head to say, but I'm gonna explain you whatever I have learned. And today I'm thinking to go in English, in proper English, so that I can work on my spoken English and English communication as well. Okay, earlier I used to prefer going with English, basically Hindi and English, but today I'm thinking upon going with English, proper and pure English. Okay, nothing in Hindi, but yeah, if it will be needed now, then I'll switch. So that was the thing. Okay, the morning started. I tried to make a to-do list. I even made it, jotted down so many things to do, but barely completed any of them. The day is not still ended, and I am trying to console myself, saying that okay, the day is not ended. The day has not ended. We have still some hours left, and जो भी बची हुई चीजें हैं, I'm gonna complete in the left hours. Okay, I just tried to watch video of Anshmira sir on it was about Claude 5.6 and Codex kind of thing. So yeah, it was kind of a review kind of video, I guess. So he was just sharing about the stuff like the models which has Sora, Luna and Terra, obviously, which is basically inspired by our own galaxy. Basically, Sora is for sun, Luna is for, I guess, moon, and Terra is for, I guess, our own earth. That's the thing. I don't know what is the concept of having all of it, but yeah, it was exactly that. So getting started with, I understood that what all it explains. Then Anshmara sir ended his video with what. By the way, I had not that as per I am able to understand, I think the ChatGPT 5.6 is basically a paid plan, I think, and there is something called Codex. Earlier I was considering it that Codex is something inside ChatGPT, which I think I am right at some extent, but I think Codex is particular different app, I guess. I think it is so. So if it is actually that, then I will be trying. Actually, my laptop is not working properly. It has a display cable disconnection, or the display cable has been loose, so it is not working properly. I'll have to go to a shop to get it repaired immediately. But because I'm not feeling pretty much okay, I'm not even healthy, I can say so. That's why I'm not able to do that. I mean, I'm not able to go out with that, to get that repaired. That's been the thing, and that is the one major reason why I have not practiced coding, and I have not even practiced so many other things. Basically, I have not worked on the real practices, so that's why I have not watched the other videos that were in my head related to AI. So it is like, it feels getting so behind just because of that laptop, but it's pretty fine. Yeah, that's life. Things keep happening. We can't do anything. Let's move forward. You know what, today I'm feeling a little bit satisfied with what I have learned, not because of that video, because video was pretty much theoretical. I mean, it was practical. It might be practical for me if I had done something in my own laptop, but I have not did something because the screen is completely black. It is not getting it is not able to get me see something on that. That's the thing. So what I did yesterday now, I just got some cheat codes, basically some prompt commands, some ChatGPT commands, basically like / handwritten notes / expert mode and kind of these things. So I got more than 100 commands, I guess. So today I have thought about using some of them, and I used 2 of them, which turned out to be literally very much, I can say, which turned out to be extremely useful for me. First one was the masterclass, and second one was / expert mode. So I had some questions. So it was that I just asked GPT in expert mode. I just written / expert mode, and I just asked that how to learn something pretty faster with AI. So it has given me some stuff which I found really good, and at the same way really useful, basically. Really useful and practical at the same time. And then I searched for how to learn skills to become future millionaire with AI, kind of something. So yeah, it has also given me a lot of stuff. If possible, you are able to see the screenshot over here. of the response that it has given me. It is literally pretty much practical. I am thinking upon to ask it in the expert mode that or in the masterclass mode. Masterclass mode is basically used when you want something to when you want to learn something from basics to advanced. Then you can use /expert mode, and the question was how to learn English basically, so that most of you who want to learn English from beginner to pro level can use that. And I also need to use that because I'm not pretty much pro at it, and I really want to be. I want to be someone who can spontaneously respond in any of the situations in English. So that's the level which I really want to achieve. Let's see how much time it takes me, but yeah, it's that what I'm thinking upon. There's one more thing which I'm thinking on, and this thought has came to my head because of that AI response that I read on my phone just before, just after getting the response when I searched something using /expert mode. And it is that I'm thinking upon when I searched that how to learn something faster, it told me at the end, it told me that you should be like building projects and doing that kind of stuff. So I am thinking that it may be a way that I'm learning the stuff for all the 6 days straight, and then at the end of the week I'm building a project, or I'm working on a project throughout the week and learning, debugging and doing all that stuff. And then at the end of the week I can come up with a video explaining or just documenting that what all I have learned, what is the thing that I have built. I think that can be something which will force me to learn at a deeper level rather than learn on a superficial level. I think it can be good. I don't know will it really work or not. It can even, the things can even be the other way around, but I think this can work. I think once I should give it a try. What do you think? So that is the thing. Otherwise it may also work that I'm daily learning and daily documenting, but the daily learning thing is that I may feel kind of a pressure that okay, I have to document something, so I need to learn something. Okay, what to learn, let's just get something. But this is not the way how it should be going. I should be preferring a particular roadmap. I should be sticking for enough time on that particular roadmap, learning the stuff in chunks, thoda karke, and then I should be documenting it on the daily basis. This is exactly what the plan was earlier, but now I'm thinking to learn on the daily basis and document just one day. No, document every day, but in a written format. Okay, like checklist, like one-liners. Okay, today I got to know about this, and this basically will force my brain to recall all the things at the end of the day that I have learned throughout the day. Don't you think so? I think it will work that way. There's another thing that I will be even writing and explaining. I might even explain something that I have learned, because Anshmira sir has told, and even AI also has told that writing something and reading enough is going to be pretty much valuable skill in upcoming years. So I can train my brain to do that. That's the thought process. What do you think? Should I be trying it? I think I should give it a try, because I don't know what is the thing which will work the best way for me. So I can just keep experimenting, keep tweaking the things, keep tweaking the plans that I have, and see that what can work. There's actually a lot to say, but the video has become so long. I really don't want the documentations to be too long, but still it just goes too long, so things are not there in my hand. Okay, whatever response that I have got, I will try. I'll make sure to create a doc file of it and just share it in the description or in the Telegram channel, so that you folks can also learn from it. Okay, yeah, when I was watching the Anshmira sir's video I have written some of the here are the notes that I have taken. Here is the note that I have taken. Also I have written some of the vocabularies, because I really love the way he speaks. Yeah, you might be thinking that where I have learned to speak in English now, bro. He has played a major role in me teaching English, in me learning English. Literally मैंने communication का most of the part I feel उनसे ही सीखा. Shadowed his stuff. Even उनकी एक particular reel थी, उनके channel पे से किसी की थी, तो मैंने उस स्क्रिप्ट का पूरा ट्रांसक्रिप्ट लिख लिया था. लिटरली उसको पॉज करके लगभग 1-1.5 मिनट की लंबी स्क्रिप्ट थी. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच एफर्ट्स आई हैव गिवन on learning spoken English? But still I feel that I need to learn a lot still now, even now basically. So the words that I have got to extracted is, one is physical dexterity kind of something. Then there is simulate, then there is fidelity, then there is orchestrate, and there is autopilot mode, then something, the stuff like that, like words. There's one more thing, sparingly. There's actually a word sparingly which I have learned from his video. So I think this should be it for today's documentation. Thank you so much for being here till now. This was it for today. As for Python, so bro, I'm not satisfied with what I have learned, because I have literally not learned anything. Pretty sad, but still I have some time in the day and I'll be documenting whatever I will be finishing. I had to finish 2 things today. I had to finish 3 articles from file handling, and I had to complete 4 articles from counter. Counter was something like, it was related to counter, but I have not did it properly. But let's see what happens, because I'm not feeling pretty much healthy at this time. I'm feeling pretty sick. So that's the thing. Avoid the messy hair that I'm carrying over here on my head. Thank you so much for being here till now. Bye.